Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be going over another ETH long that I caught this week. Let's get started. First, we're gonna go over the first trade, or I think it was last week actually that I got in. I got in long. So last week we made this move, right? Then we created this fair value gap. I remember I had a, think it was like a long like this, something like this, with a stop just under here for a 3R, almost 15% move. That was last week. And then on my analysis section on the Discord, I said above 2882, if we consolidate and it gives me triggers to enter again, I will enter again. And so what did we do? If you go on the 4H, um, we have this. Here, I'll make it more clear. We have this fair value gap, right here, fair value gap that was retested multiple times. One, two, three. Okay. Um, I entered. I think it was on this candle. I can't remember. But if you go on the 1 hour, when I saw this move down and then basically get canceled out by the next candle, I was like, all right, momentum is looking like it's gonna continue up because usually when you get a big red candle like this and then we flip it literally on the next hour, that means bulls are stepping in hard, right? And when you look at this setup, this is a basic textbook long for me. We have a fair value gap retested multiple times, okay, after making a big break and breaking a key level, okay, and then we had uh the flip right here, or the engulfment. I don't know how to call that, but like this candle combo here. When you see this, like when we're starting to trend up, right, and then we flush out hard, and then we recover literally immediately. That's a very bullish signal. Like you should be looking for longs like immediately. So I didn't get in on these candles. I got in on this reversal one right here, and then it's literally been up only. I already secured I secured around 90% of my position already around these levels here off this fair value gap on the 12H, or not fair value gap, sorry, of this bearish order block on the 12H. So this is a bearish order block, and just because of that, that's why I secured most of my position. But I have 10% left running on this to hit 34.43. And if it hits, this will be another 13% move secured. That's a total of 27%, almost 30% between two longs that I took in the last 2 weeks. Name me anyone doing it like me. Name me anyone doing it like me. We've been absolutely printing the last month, even spot bags on ETH. We are up fucking, hold on, let me delete this. We are up 37% from my average buy, and I bought more around here. I bought more around here. So we are absolutely cooking. My main target on ETH is 8K. So from where we're at right now to new all-time highs, we are 31% away, and my main target is 8,000. So from past all-time highs, so no, from where we're at to the target I'm aiming for, we're 73% away, and from previous all-time highs to my main target is literally only 32%. So very realistic targets, uh, and they should be doable. They should be doable as long as BTC continues to behave. Um, ETH BTC, like the ETH BTC pair, looks fucking amazing still. We have so much room for growth. We took out these lows, reclaimed, we printed this fair value gap, and it's been up only. I mean, this could go ETH BTC pair can literally go another almost 100%. So with that being said, I am very bullish ETH, and we'll see how this goes. But so far so good. It's been a great month, and I hope this guys helps you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.